Hello everyone, let's see how to install a Monero wallet to use Anonymous XRM cryptocurrency. The installation environment will be a FreeBSD system. If anyone has not heard what this operation system is, then it's time to find out about it, because BSD systems are open source Unix systems that are primarily used as server environments and as secure environments that will protect and encrypt by the file system. That is, they have excellent security, there is nothing superfluous in it. All software is installed using the package method of raw the ports that are in the BSD repositories. The whole ideology is similar to the GNU Linux system, but more developed and uninterrupted for narrow tasks, and it does not have any extra garbage that Linux systems suffer from. But we won't offend the penguin, because Linux is good and skillful, and its own hands, it's very flexible and customizable, and it also shows certain software that cannot be used in BSD systems by a simple layman as we are. What to go for? For example, the wallet of an anonymous cryptocurrency, Zcash, is not yet in the batch repository, and it's not so easy to install the system in BSD. But this is all temporary. With the development of crypto security, the topic of cold storage cryptocurrencies will also develop. Okay, let's do this. First, we need a VM, how to install and use it's on the channel in our video, or there are many videos on YouTube. Second, we need an OS image of FreeBSD, link in the description. Third, we need a flash drive and a disk image burning program with FreeBSD. Fourth, we need to install FreeBSD on a VM. How to install step by step FreeBSD version 12.1 and the graphical shell, let's say XFC. It's very simple. There is a tooltip above and a link in the description. The main thing is to create a hard disk size of at least 100 GB for the Monero blockchain. Fifth, we need to go to the Monero website and download the distribution under FreeBSD or build the binary package yourself. All instructions, all steps for installing the OS distribution and the Monero blockchain will be under the video. Now we'll start downloading the Monero blockchain. It will take a very long time until 100% is complete. We wait. But I won't wait. I have a ready-made wallet. For example, we go into it and send ourselves XRM from the exchange 50x.com. That's all. Get used to cold wallets, use it as your own bank, keep your money safe and smart. You do like and subscribe, I do content for you. Develop and do not get sick. Bye.
Look, what do you see?
Papa, the scorpion! It needs help!
Life is cruel, Satoshi. It doesn't care where you are from, what god you pray to. It is, so you must face it head on. See the scorpion? No matter how many enemies, it continues on. It is strong, yes. It is fast. But do you know why the scorpion is feared? Its will.